Check, mic, check. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, troops, wherever you are in the world, and welcome back to the channel. Mark, that's me, my words, where we follow trading, travelling, and training. As always, before doing this very quick video, please continue to hit the subscribe button down there. And if you do enjoy the content, give me a quick thumbs up. It only takes a second. Cheers, troops. So here we are, Friday, the 6th of May, 2022. A few things to cover. First of all, let's look at the SPY as we go into the end of the week. Obviously, the big day was Wednesday, the Fed announcement, where we got quite a nice bounce, troops, to be honest. And I knew straight away. I even put it in my Discord group. When's the rug pull? And everybody agreed. It's not sustainable. It's not going to happen. This is not going to happen. This is not going to keep going up from there. And sure enough, yesterday, what an absolutely god-awful day yesterday to cap off what has quite frankly been a bit of a shitty week, troops. And I don't normally get put expletives in like that, but it's crappy. It's really crappy. This is a 1 hour chart. Go to the 4 hour chart. You can see just exactly how bad this is. You know, it's horrible. But then it amazes me that, you know, there's people out there. I just keep hearing them talking about Russia and Ukraine, Russia and Ukraine, Russia and Ukraine. Don't be fooled, troops. This isn't just because of Russia and Ukraine. This is because of all the money that's been printed the last 2 years, not just in America. We're seeing the same in the UK as well. Yesterday, the Bank of England put interest rates up and said the worst is yet to come, you know, right through next year. And they're acting as if something that started in February is the cause of all this. Well, yeah, something did start in February. It started in February 2020. That's where this has all come from. So I'm not buying into it. Anyway, that's just my little bit of a ramble for today. But yeah, I mean, I was expecting it. I wasn't surprised at all yesterday. I looked at the chart once. I opened it once. And I was like, there we go, just as I expected. And I closed it. I didn't look at it again. There's no point. It just drags you down. But how does that translate over to our meme stocks? Let's have a look at GameStop. Here you can see, nice run up, followed the SPY. And then yesterday, followed the SPY again. It's put us back inside. You can see this, if I put this on the daily, troops, actually, you'll be able to see this huge wedge that we've got going on here, that we've been tracking. We've touched there, we've bounced out of it, we then used it. If you look on the daily, we used it as some kind of support. We've now fallen back into that, and we're now back in here. So again, you know, I look back to where we were a few weeks ago in the middle of March, where we were down at, you know, $90. Okay, we're not far off there, but we're still better off than what we were a few weeks ago. It's the same with AMC, troops. I talked about this level in my video on Monday, this 1450 area here. That is critical. If we break below that, I don't see anything to keep us from touching, what, $11, $12 realistically. Here, look, there. That for me would be the next level of support, is around that $12 area. So if we do break below that today, then look out for that $12. Again, not to be negative, not to be fudster or shill or anything like that. I'm in this play just like everybody else. Just being realistic, troops. I'm just telling you what I see. So that's the reality. It's grim, troops. It's grim. And, you know, is it going to get any better? I can't see it getting much better, to be honest. Maybe this is the bottom. Maybe we bounce around here for a little bit. But like I said, watch out for those drops below that 1450 area on AMC. GME, not too concerned about there. You know, there's some support around there. That one, we're below there. Actually, we're down here, look. Crazy cronk. So, yeah, around that 115 area, we might see some support. I think we bounced off that yesterday. Actually, what was the low? Yeah, 115.12. There you go. So we bounced off that yesterday. That's the next level of support. For GME, obviously for GME, they've got the shareholder meeting coming up. May the 4th, that everybody was hyping up, nothing happened. Cinco de Mayo, that everybody was hyping up, nothing happened. Don't tell me there weren't people hyping it up, because there were. Just setting yourselves up for disappointment, troops. Again, even with the stock split, the dividend, share dividend, whatever you want to call it, I'm not getting excited about it, because I've got my own theories about what's going to happen. But, you know, I'll keep those to myself for now. because people just get upset if you don't say it's going to cause MOAS. So, you know, let's just wait and see, troops. Let's just wait and see. So that's pretty much it, troops. What else has been in the news this week? Can't really think. There's been some tweets flying around. Obviously, Monday is AMC earnings, so do look out for that. That will probably be another opportunity for our enemies to push the stock price down. So it's normal, troops. It's normal. So anticipate that. If it doesn't happen, great. If it does happen, you've already prepared for it. Yeah, so that's about it, troops. That's all I've got for you in this video. Short, sweet, to the point, realistic. I do hope you have a great weekend. Try not to think about it too much. Wherever you are in the world, do take care of yourselves and each other, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, troops.